The Ford and Lincoln roof rack crossbars are expertly crafted to fit seamlessly on models from 2018 to 2025, offering a perfect match for your vehicle's design. Constructed with high-grade aluminum and quality plastic brackets, these roof racks are both durable and lightweight, capable of supporting up to 150 pounds without sacrificing safety. With a sleek and low-profile design, these roof racks minimize wind resistance and noise, making them ideal for both short and long journeys. These roof racks are particularly user-friendly, as they come with all necessary hardware and instructions, allowing for easy installation without the need for drilling or cutting. They serve as an excellent solution for transporting oversized items such as kayaks, canoes, snowboards, skis, bikes, and fishing poles, ensuring safe and convenient transport. Manufactured by Ants Part, these crossbars provide a reliable and stylish option for enhancing your vehicle's cargo capacity.